Adi. So today I'll be showing you the wonderful collections of beautiful Pattu lehengas only. Everything is beautiful Pattu pavadas. I'll be showing you around 20 to 30 collections in this. Very pretty collections andi. And manki festive wear ga kuda help avutundi. One of the prettiest collections today. And manki Gunturlo Mugdawari the Great Queen Annual Festival jarugutundandi. So today is the first day and inka 2 days kuda jarugutundi. So it's in the hotel capital Guntur. So tappakunda visit cheyandi. So the first one, this is a beautiful Pattu lehenga andi, the beautiful finish, and you can even see the color combination. It's very pretty, and mottham kuda you can see the color combination, light color with silver weave, and the border with red color, and the blouse. So blouse with different shade, self pattern, and bigger border. Elegant combination. So the Pattu lehengas are on price on request only. So please do comment your favorite lehenga in the comment section. We will let you know the price details. This is another beautiful color, light pink with silver shade only. One of the prettiest combination ever. And you can see the border, bottleneck green with golden zari andi, such a traditional one. And you can even see the blouse. So blouse with self pattern with a bigger border. And on elbow side stitch cheskoni we can go with maggam works andi. So all the Pattu lehenga prices are on request. Comment your favorite lehenga in the comment section. This is one of the prettiest color, green color andi, parrot green with red color border, red color zari work. So golden zari work ostundandi red color meeda, and lehenga is full of silver booties, and you can even see the blouse andi. So the blouse is with red color with tiny motifs, prettiest combination. And ee lehenga meeku nachinatlaithe please do comment. This is light silver color andi, silver color with blue color border. Rendu kuda manchi rich colors, classy shade, and you can see the border andi, very beautiful one. It's full of silver weave with a classy finish, rich looking lehenga. And this is the blouse, one of the classic combination andi, with subtle colors, and the price is on request. You can even visit our store, which is Vidyaarthi Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada. This is light peach pink shade with violet color border, golden zari designer andi. Pedda border vastundi manaki. And the saree is full of silver motifs, pretty and elegant. And this is the blouse, so the purple color with a bigger border only. Very beautiful combination. The price is on request. So this is one of the ravishing color, the bright red with dark green. Rendu kuda bright colors andi, and you can see the border, golden zari combination with rich looking color. And here is a blouse andi, the contrast one. Both looks really pretty. And the lehenga price is on request. మనకి ఓని కావాలంటే సెపరేట్గా తీసుకోవాలండి. So we can match it with our favorite one. This is light golden color with red color border. Rendu kuda manchi combination andi, rich looking, and it's full of silver booties andi, silver booties with golden zari border. And you can even see the blouse. It's a contrast one. Both are pretty colors. And the lehenga price is on request. So this is the next one andi. So brown shade. This is coffee brown. And the bottom one is dark brown only with silver zari combination. The rich looking one, prettiest shade, and you can even see the blouse. So same వచ్చి మనకి పెద్ద border వస్తుందండి. So silver zari finish are always pretty. And the price is on request. Comment your favorite lehenga in the comment section. We will let you know the price details. This is orange color andi. Orange with green. Dark green color border with light golden color motifs all over, and you can see the blouse only. So blouse if you see dark green vastundi with a bigger border. Very pretty combination. The lehenga price is on request. This is parrot green, one of the beautiful color. Parrot green ki border వచ్చి red color అండి. రెండు కూడా మంచి combination. And sarees, lehenga is full of silver motifs and golden zari border, khadi zari border andi with red color blouse combination. Two rich colors, and the price is on request. Comment your favorite lehenga in the comment section andi. We will get back to you, and you can even message in the WhatsApp number. This is sandal color, sandal with hot pink, golden zari border with rich designs only, and you can even see the hot pink color blouse with bigger border, traditional and elegant. The lehenga price is on request. This is everyone's most favorite color combination andi. Dark green with red. Lehenga మొత్తం కూడా you can see tiny check patterns. Tiny check patterns లో మనకి motifs వస్తున్నాయి. Very small motifs, and border కూడా golden zari border. Khadi border andi. And here is a blouse with red combination, the bigger border. Two beautiful colors andi, and the price is on request. So here's another pretty shade. So this is pink color andi, magenta pink with violet color border. మొత్తం కూడా చెక్ ప్యాటర్న్స్ వస్తున్నాయండి. You can see the motifs all over. And the border with golden weave, khadi border andi. And this is the blouse with the contrast color and the bigger border. And ee lehenga ganka meeku nachinatlaite please do comment, and we will let you know the price details. This is another pretty shade, traditional color combination andi idi. So the light silver color with red color zari work, the zari border vastundi. The golden zari border with full of silver weave in the lehenga. And this is the blouse andi, the prettiest blouse with contrast color combination. మనం కావాలంటే మగ్గం వర్క్ కూడా చేయించుకోవచ్చు. And the lehenga price on request. This is another satin color andi, golden color combination with sea blue color border. మొత్తం కూడా tiny motifs వస్తున్నాయండి, golden with silver shade with the golden zari border. And here is the blouse. So rich looking blouse only with shimmery shade. And the lehenga price is on request. This is red with green. Beautiful combination andi. Red కలర్ మొత్తం కూడా మనకి మోటివ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. బ్యూటిఫుల్ టైనీ మోటివ్స్, గోల్డెన్ జరీ మోటివ్స్ విత్ a green color border. And this is the blouse, the prettiest collection. So the price is on request. Comment your favorite lehenga in the comment section. Our team will reply you. This is light pink color only. Traditional color, light color with a dark green color border. Golden zari border only. With beautiful designer. And here is the blouse. So green blouse only with a bigger border. The lehenga is the prettiest one. And if you want to know the price, please do comment. This is another pretty shade, light orange only. Light orange with dark red color border. Khadi zari border only. The lehenga is full of silver zari motifs. And the contrast blouse, the red color, the golden zari motifs. So the lehenga price is on request. And here comes another pretty one. This is bright shade, violet color. And border kuda manaki red color border vastundandi. The contrast one. Golden zari border. It's a pretty color andi. And we have got a contrast blouse, the red color. So the price is on request. So here is the last one for today. From the traditional Pattu lehengas, Pattu Pavras. This is golden color with traditional check patterns and the red khadi zari border only. And this is the blouse. So the blouse is with contrast. Beautiful color combination. So the lehenga price is on request only. So that's all for today from the collection of beautiful Pattu lehengas. I hope you all loved it. And మీరు కనుక ఆర్డర్ చేయాలనుకుంటే ఈ నెంబర్కి ఆర్డర్ చేయొచ్చు. దిస్ ఇస్ ద వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ అండ్ ద జీపే నెంబర్ యాజ్ వెల్. సో ప్లీజ్ టు టేక్ ద స్క్రీన్ షాట్. మనకి గుంటూరులో ముక్తావారి ద గ్రేట్ ఇండియన్ హ్యాండ్లూమ్ ఫెస్టివల్ జరుగుతుందండి. సో టుడే ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ డే అండ్ ఇంకా 2 days ఇప్పుడు జరుగుతుంది. సో తప్పకుండా విజిట్ చేయండి. హోటల్ క్యాపిటల్ గుంటూరు.